those of you buying Jambox or MP3 player, stop, because today I'm going to show you how to construct your own MP3 player with remote. Let's jump in. So all you need is your old remote like this, and this is what we need inside, IR, and your old DVD player that also has IR inside. IR means infrared. So we are going to remove this IR from this remote. Let us remove this thing, this IR here. This is a remote. We are going to remove this one. Remove this IR and remove this IR also from your DVD or receiver, anyone. So this is what we have now. This is what we have from the receiver, and this is what is in the remote. This is 2 IR now. Okay, keep them aside. So take any flexible cable. The one from the receiver is going to your speaker. Connect it like this. We only need the negative and positive. You don't need the middle one. And connect the positive like this. Here we are now. See, negative and positive. We don't need this one. We don't need the middle one. So put your selective to avoid partial contact. Selective to avoid partial contact. I'm using masking tape here because black tape cannot actually hold this well, so let us use masking tape or plaster, anyone. Here we are now. This is what we have. This one is going to the speaker. So after this is complete, the next thing we are going to do is this one. We need this earpiece, this head of earpiece. We need it. So we cut this one out of it because we don't need this one. So cut it out. This is what we need. When you peel it, you see 4 cables inside. So connect the red together and any other color together. When you peel it, so you put one of the leg here to the leg of your IR, and the second one also to the second leg of your IR. Tape it to avoid partial contact. So we are done with this. This is what we have now, and this. So this one is going to your phone, and this one is going to any speaker you want to use it with. You don't need battery, etc. No. So let us connect this tiny speaker first for test. Fill the cable. If you don't have plier, quickly use your teeth. I think this is too long. Let me reduce this cable small. Put one of the leg here. And the second leg here. like this. You connect one to the negative and one to the positive. Tip it to avoid partial contact. Is it? And connect this one to your phone. Where is it? Where is my phone? Connect this one to your phone. You see a sign of earpiece up here. See it? Then it's automatically connected. Let's play the song here. Come play that song. Okay. Now pause it. So pause. Connect. What about the distance? Let us take it far. See? Still working. Still working. Wow. Okay. That is it. So let us use a very big speaker and see. Other speaker and see. Apart from this small one. Let's use a very big speaker and see what is gonna happen. So we are going to use this one for test. Hey, this one must be. So we are going to test it with this one. All you need to do is connect the positive to the positive. This is a big speaker. You don't need any battery. Remember, this one nothing like battery low battery. Please charge. Nothing like that. So negative to negative and positive to positive. Put your tip to avoid partial contact. Here we are done. Time for test. It's connected. It's working now. Can hear. Coming. Let me check something. How can I open this thing? Yeah. Oh boy. So what is going on here? These crazy days are great. You can actually increase the volume. I climbed a watermelon tree, flew on a blue bumblebee. See? Is that a dog at the wheel? You see it? Of an automobile. Crazy day, crazy day, crazy day. This is pause now. Play. Crazy day, crazy. Pause. Crazy day, crazy. Pause. Play. Crazy day, crazy. Volume down and volume up. Crazy day, crazy day. So that is it. Thank you very much. My name is FK and this is FK Tech.